Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th Geography. We are discussing about the second chapter, Physical Features of India. Already we have discussed different types of the physical features of India. A continuation of the same thing, that is today we are discussing about the coastal plains of our country. There are two coastal lines are there. Those are the narrow strips of the vast coastal lines. One is western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. That is Western Coastal Plains, Eastern Coastal Plains. Here we can understand that here the Western Coastal Plains, which is the west part, and Eastern Coastal Plains, which is it is in a west part. One it is in a Arabian Sea, another one it is in a Bay of Bengal. Okay, so these two coastal lines of our country, they are having a huge, large, vast, narrow strips of these coastal plains, is it? So in these western coastal plains, we are having again features. It is divided into the three sections. Three sections it is divided. How it is divided? One is a north part of these western coastal plains. It's having what Konkan coast. It is a north part of a Western Ghats, Western Coastal Plains. It is a Konkan coast. It is called as the second one. It is a central part. It is a central part. It is known as a Kannad plains. Yes, here it is not given. It is in between. It is the middle. It is called as a Kannad plains. The last one, which one it is? A southern stretches the part. It is known as a Malabar coast. Got it? So here it is the western coastal plains. It is divided into the three part. One is the Konkan coast and Kandal plains, and last one it is Malabar coast. Okay. So these western coastal plains, here we can see the plains, they are having a fertile land. Okay, so in these western coastal plains, they are having um, uh, the very good atmosphere of monsoon rains. That is west west wind will be bring a monsoon from these areas, and here the people, they will grow more coconut, cashew nut, and spices they will grow in these land. Okay, now we'll discuss about this side, which is the eastern coastal plains. Okay, so in the eastern coastal plains, it is where it is located. It is in the Bay of Bengal. So here also the three sections will divide. The three sections, north, middle, and south. The three sections will divide of the eastern coastal plains. The first one is north side. It will be referred to the northern circle, and middle it is a Coromandel coast. We can see here the Coromandel coast, and the third one it is the having a lagoon, that is thick Aravalli hills or the deposits. We can see they are in a flow to the way in a Bay of the Bengal. And here the monsoon, that is northeastern part. In these northeastern parts, it will bring a monsoon winds, and here the lot of the so many cyclone effects also it will be happens in these areas, in the where in the eastern coastal plains. We can see here the Mahanadi, Godavari, and Krishna river, they will flow to the where in a Bay of the Bengal, and these areas they will grow more rice, coconut, and other crops, which is the require for their people who are living in the eastern coastal plains. So today's segment we are learnt about physical features of the India, that is the coastal plains of our country. For the reference, you can refer to the NCERT textbook of the grade 9th. Thank you.